Model: 67-plate Peugeot Expert 1.6 HDI Euro 6 spares OR repairs. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 136536. MOT: the 28th of October 2024. Engine: 1560 cc DV6 FCU. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner timing belt has snapped. Very simple fix for someone who knows what they're doing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, reversing camera, cruise control, electric windows, parking sensors, air-con. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074